Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: who owns Popular Direct? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Popular Direct is. It's an online bank that offers a variety of savings and CD products. They're known for their high interest rates, which can be a great way to grow your money. So, who owns Popular Direct? Well, the answer is a little bit complicated. Popular Direct is owned by Popular Bank, which is a subsidiary of Popular Incorporated. Popular Incorporated is a publicly traded company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, insurance, and investment products. Popular Bank is a full-service bank that offers a wide range of products and services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and Credit One cards. They have over 1,000 branches in the United States and Puerto Rico. Popular Direct is a relatively new bank, having been founded in 2008. However, they've quickly grown to become one of the most popular online banks in the United States. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that Popular Direct is a safe and secure bank. They're backed by a large, publicly traded company with a long history of financial stability. It also means that you can get access to a wide range of banking products and services through Popular Direct. This includes high-interest savings accounts, CDs, and more. So, there you have it. Popular Direct is owned by Popular Bank, which is a subsidiary of Popular Incorporated. This makes Popular Direct a safe and secure bank with a lot to offer. If you're looking for a high-interest savings account or CD, I encourage you to check out Popular Direct. You could be earning more money on your savings today. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning.